From atoms to galaxies, breaking the chain. Unlock the universe, noodle brain. Hey! What's inside your head? Tiny thoughts, big ideas. Let's go explore instead. Think it, twist it, turn it insane. Welcome to Noodle Brain. Noodle Brain.
Hey Noodle Brains! It's me, Nori Noodle. Today we're talking about something super sticky, super smelly, and super important. Oil! But wait, how does this black goo from deep underground turn into things we use every day? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered where oil really comes from? Not the petrol station, not a factory, but way back in time. Let's travel back millions of years ago. The Earth looked very different. There were huge oceans filled with tiny plants and animals called plankton. They were super small, but super important. Should we take a closer look? Come on, let's dive in. Look at the plankton. When these tiny creatures died, they sank to the bottom of the ocean. Layer after layer, they piled up on the seabed, like a giant underwater sandwich. Over millions of years, sand, mud, and rocks covered them. More layers, until they were buried deep underground. Now here's where the magic happens. Deep underground, it gets very hot, and the pressure gets very high. These conditions slowly changed the tiny plants and animals into oil. Yup, oil is basically ancient, squished sea stuff. The oil doesn't just sit anywhere. It moves through rocks and gets trapped in spaces underground. These places are called oil reservoirs. Do you know how long this takes? Millions of years. That means oil is a non-renewable resource. Once it's gone, it's very hard to replace. Oil is trapped deep underground, so we have to drill for it. Big machines called oil rigs drill deep holes into the earth. When they reach the oil, whoosh, it gets pumped up to the surface. Come on, oil, you can do it. Okay, real talk. Raw oil is not ready to use. It's dirty and messy, so we send it to a factory called a refinery. Here's what happens. The oil gets heated, it gets separated into different parts. Each part is used for different things. It's like sorting a giant pot of soup into ingredients. Imagine crude oil is like a huge bag of mixed Lego bricks. Some short, some long, all jumbled together in one sticky black goo. Ew! But also awesome. To make it useful, we need a giant sorting machine called Fractional Distillation. First up, the big heat. We pump the crude oil into a furnace and heat it to about 350 to 400 degrees Celsius. That's super hot. It turns into a steamy gas. Next, the tall tower. This gas shoots into a tall tower called a fractionating column. It's very hot at the bottom and cooler at the top. As the gas rises, it cools down, and here comes the magic. Heavy, long molecules cool quickly and stay at the bottom. Things like fuel oil, waxes, and bitumens for roads. Medium ones settle in the middle, diesel oil and kerosene that makes jet fuel. Light, tiny ones float to the top. This is used to make petrol and gas for cooking. At each level, pipes collect these different parts, like sorting Lego by size. But wait, there's more. Some big molecules go into a cracking tower, where they are broken into smaller, more useful ones using heat and a catalyst. Then comes catalyst regeneration, so the process can keep going again and again. And just like that, sticky goo becomes fuel, plastic, and so much more. So, We've taken that thick, sticky crude oil and turned it into lots of useful stuff. But here's the big question. Where do we actually use it in real life? Let's look around. Getting around. When you ride in a car, bus, or even see a big truck on the road, guess what powers it? Petrol or gasoline and diesel. All three of them are made from oil. What about that black road you walk or ride on? That's asphalt, which is made from oil. And inside cars? Lubricants, like motor oil, keep engines running smoothly. That too is made from oil. And airplanes? They use jet fuel to zoom across the sky. You guessed it, jet fuel is made from oil. Brr! What about keeping warm? In cold places, some homes use heating oil to stay nice and cozy. Think of it like a giant heater powered by oil. What about some of the items you use every day? That plastic toy? That's right, it's made from oil. Your water bottle? If it is made of plastic, it comes from oil. Even some parts of your tablet or phone. Yep, all of it is made from oil. This might surprise you, but even clothes you wear sometimes comes from oil. That sporty shirt or stretchy pants? They might be made from polyester or nylon materials that come from oil. Some of the fun things we use every day or on special occasions is also made from oil. The crayons you color with, candles on a birthday cake, lip balm or lotion. They all can come from oil. Some medicines and medical tools are made using oil products, helping doctors to keep us healthy. That's right, oil saves lives. So next time you play, travel, or even get dressed, remember, oil is part of your everyday life. Oil is very useful, but we must use it carefully. Why? It can run out. It can pollute the air. It can harm animals if spilled. That's why people are also using clean energy like wind and solar. So remember, oil comes from ancient life. We drill to get it. We refine it to use it. And it helps power our world. Oil is an incredible natural resource. Something that looks like messy black goo can turn into amazing things. If you learned something new today, like, subscribe, share with your fellow noodle brains. See you next time for more brain-boosting fun.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Join the new